Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So today we are going to unbox and review another cordless vacuum cleaner, and this time we get the Honiture S12 cordless vacuum cleaner. So with no further ado, let's get straight to it and see its features and discover it all together. So as they say, power meets precision. The S12 brings a whopping 35,000 PA of suction power thanks to its 5 suction gears. Whether it's pet hair, cereals, cat litter, or dust, this vacuum transforms effortlessly into a handheld cordless or stick vacuum, ensuring a deep clean for your sofas, beds, carpets, and floors, and everything in between. Stay in control with the large LED smart touchscreen. Get real-time updates on operating status and remaining power. Plus, the blockage reminder function keeps you ahead of any potential issues. A true game changer in vacuum technology. And for me, this is the first time I review or use a vacuum that had a touch LED screen or a smart touch screen, which allows you to increase the speed or lower the speed of your vacuum just by moving your finger up and down in this smart screen. No more interruptions during your cleaning sessions. The S12 boasts 7 powerful 2500 mAh batteries, giving you up to 55 minutes of runtime, with a speedy 4.5 hours of charging time and an intelligent battery protection chip. This vacuum is definitely built for endurance. And for me, from my personal opinion, I've never had or used a vacuum that lasts more than 10 minutes or 15 minutes top of use. The battery dies just 10 minutes later, which is not really convenient, especially if you have a project ahead of you and you want to get your room or house or everything between cleaned in a short time, which is not really useful. But this one, they promise you to get at least 55 minutes of runtime, which is more than impressive for me. Breathe easy with the efficient 6-stage filter system, from a double cone to stainless steel and HEPA filters. This vacuum catches a remarkable 99.99% of fine dust. The fully sealed system ensures no air leakage, providing you with clean, fresh air in your home. And say goodbye to tangled nightmares. The S12 comes with a tangle-free V-shaped floor brush with smoother bristles. It prevents hair from getting wrapped around the roller, saving you time and hassle in the cleaning process. And also, as you can see, you can extend the vacuum for your needs. If you want it to be short or longer, you get all the options. So here let's give it a real life test. As you can see, with the first swipe it gets everything cleaned in a matter of seconds, which gives you a better idea how powerful this vacuum is. And no matter what, either it's breadcrumbs or dust or anything like that, it does a great job. And here the LED smart touchscreen makes a big difference compared to any other vacuum. This one shows you the speed and you can increase it just by a touch finger on. Also you can see the battery percentage, so you can plan ahead. And also, as you can see, the LED lights that allows you to see what you are cleaning. And of course it's not that big of a deal, but it's definitely a small detail that they thought about, and I find it really useful, especially in dark places. I would say that's pretty much it about today's video. I hope you guys find this review helpful and useful and gave you more details about this cordless vacuum and helps you decide whether it's the right one for you. I will leave a link in the description for you if you are interested to get yours and test it for yourself. If you have any questions or comments about this review, please leave in the comments section. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any upcoming videos. See you in the next one. Peace.